Understanding the software development lifecycle.
The Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, is a structured process for building software efficiently and reliably. It breaks down software creation into manageable stages, helping teams deliver quality products on time and within budget. Knowing each stage helps you understand how software is planned, developed, and maintained throughout its life.
Stage 1. Planning.
Planning is the foundation of successful software development. Teams identify the project's goals, define requirements, estimate resources, and create a timeline. This stage sets clear expectations and helps prevent costly mistakes later. Careful planning ensures the project starts on the right foot and aligns with user needs and business objectives.
Stage 2. Feasibility and requirements analysis.
In this stage, teams gather detailed requirements and analyze if the project is technically and financially viable. Stakeholders, including users and customers, share their needs, and developers assess constraints. The goal is to confirm that the project is possible and worthwhile, and to clearly document everything the software must do.
Stage 3. Design.
The design stage translates requirements into a clear technical blueprint. Architects and developers create models, diagrams, and plans for how the system will look and function. Design covers software architecture, user interfaces, data flow, and more. A solid design helps avoid rework and guides developers as they build the product.
Stage 4. Implementation and coding.
With the design in place, programmers write the actual code that makes the software work. Teams may use different programming languages, tools, and frameworks depending on the project. Developers work collaboratively to turn specifications into a functioning system, often breaking the work into smaller, manageable tasks.
Stage 5. Testing.
Testing ensures the software works as intended and meets quality standards. Testers check for bugs, security issues, and performance problems. This stage often includes unit tests, integration tests, and user acceptance tests. Fixing issues early helps reduce long-term costs and improves the user experience.
Stage 6. Deployment.
And deployment is when the software is released for use, either to users or a production environment. The team installs the application, migrates data if needed, and monitors for issues. A smooth deployment process ensures users can start benefiting from the new software with minimal disruption.
Stage 7. Maintenance and updates.
Maintenance keeps the software running smoothly after launch. Developers fix bugs, release security patches, and add new features as requirements change. Regular maintenance ensures the software stays reliable, secure, and aligned with evolving user needs or business priorities.
Why each stage matters.
Each stage of the software development lifecycle is essential for delivering high-quality software. Skipping or rushing a step can lead to errors, security risks, or user frustration. Following the entire process helps ensure that software is reliable, cost-effective, and successful in meeting its goals.